There are a million ways to cook potatoes, if not a billion, and all the recipes always turn out amazing. I have so many potato recipes on my channel, which are fantastic. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you the perfect roasted potatoes, which are going to take less than 1 hour or 1 hour, depending on how you love your potatoes crispy. And they're going to be perfect to sip in that gravy that you're going to be serving with. And they're going to be crispy, flavorful, well salted, and the best part is they're going to be so filling and they're super versatile. The crunch is absolutely amazing, tender on the inside, have a very nice golden brown color, which means that you can skip out this recipe. You're going to peel medium-sized potatoes and wash, cut into half just like this. And if you have small potatoes, you're going to leave them whole so that they can be the same size as the half ones. Now, we're going to go to the next step, which is going to be parboiling the potatoes. And you're going to place a pot over medium-high flame. Then you're going to add in water. Transfer in your potatoes. Add in a teaspoon of salt, then you're going to cover and wait for the water to come to a boil, which is going to take around a minute. Then you're going to parboil your potatoes for around 3 to 4 minutes at most. Then you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While the oven is preheating, you're going to place in your pan. So the cooking oil is going to get very hot as the oven is preheating. So once the potatoes are ready, you're just going to transfer. So it's just a matter of waiting for the potatoes to parboil. Boiling the potatoes in cold water is going to ensure that the potatoes cook evenly. And this is after around 3 minutes. As you can see, the edges of the potatoes are still intact. That means that the potatoes are not yet cooked. So I'm going to give the potatoes around 2 more minutes. This is how your potatoes should be looking. As you can see, we have a little bit of crumbling on the edges. So you're going to put out the flames, cover and drain off the water. After draining water, this is how your potatoes should be looking. So you're going to go to the next step, which is going to be roasting the potatoes in the oven. So you're going to pick your hot baking tray with hot cooking oil. So be very careful. Wow. Then you're going to toast the potatoes a little bit to make the edges a little bit rougher so that you can get a very crispy look of the potatoes and transfer into the cooking oil. You're going to toast the potatoes in the hot cooking oil, and at this point, you're going to be adding in a little bit of salt so that the salt can seep into the potatoes while baking or roasting in the oven. So I'm going to add in around half a teaspoon more salt. Then carefully pick up your baking tray. Then you're going to roast your potatoes for around 15 minutes. Flip and let the other side roast for 15 minutes. Or you can roast until the potatoes are crispy to your own liking. I had to extend the roasting time for my potatoes because I wanted the potatoes super crispy. So it's been around an hour. And my potatoes are ready and they're looking so crispy. The aroma in the kitchen has been so good while the potatoes were baking. So now I'm going to be adding in some more flavor by sprinkling with some fresh rosemary. The rosemary is going to cook as you toss together with the potatoes. And once done, you're going to serve your potatoes. This is a small recipe for around a person. I'm going to try out my roasted potatoes, and they're totally worth it because the aroma in the kitchen right now after adding in the fresh rosemary is quite so good. Listen to that crunch. Tender on the inside, crispy on the outside. Perfect whenever you're feeling lazy to cook, because all you have to do is throw the potatoes on a baking tray and roast your potatoes until crispy, and they're going to be the perfect side dish.